Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will all be fine. So, today we have to start the active and passive voice with future perfect tense. In the last lecture, we did active and passive voice with simple future tense. So, today we have to start with the future perfect tense. First of all, we have to see that how would we change the affirmative sentences, the positive sentences from active into passive voice. So first of all, we should know the structure formula of an active sentence with future perfect tense. As you can see, this is the structure formula: subject plus will have plus third form of the verb plus object. And when we will change it from active into passive sentence, so the structure formula will be object of the active sentence will have been plus third form of the verb, by will be there, and then we will write the subject of the active sentence. So in this way, you can change the sentence from active into passive voice. Then we have the structure formula of the negative sentences with future perfect tense. Subject plus will not have plus third form of the verb plus object. When we have to change it from active into passive voice, the structure formula will be object of the active sentence will not have been plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence. In this way, you can change an active sentence from active into passive in the case of negative sentences. Then we come to interrogative sentences. The structure formula of the active sentence will be will plus subject plus have plus third form of the verb plus object. When you will change it from active into passive, so the structure formula will be will or shall will come in the beginning of the sentence, object of the active sentence, have been plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence, and after every interrogative sentence, you will have to put a question mark. So the sentence will be like this: will my homework have been done by me by the time my favorite movie starts on TV? So this is how you can change it from active into passive. Then we have negative interrogative sentences. So the active formula is will not plus subject have plus third form of the verb plus object. You can change it into passive by following the structure formula: will not object of active sentence, have been third form of the verb by plus subject of the active sentence. So in this way, you can change it from active into passive. Then we have some sentences where we use question words. Most of the time, in the case of the interrogative sentences begin with question words like what, when, where, why, how. So in that case, the structure formula of the active sentence is WH word plus will plus subject plus have plus third form of the verb plus object. When you change it into passive voice, WH word will always come in the beginning of the sentence, and the rest of the sentence you can easily just construct with the help of the structure formula which is written over here. So I think in this way it will be easy for you just to change all the sentences with the future perfect tense from active into passive voice. Students, I hope you must have understood the whole of the concept. So keep on revising the concepts over and over again. In this way, they will be very helpful. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.